Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Candy Minecraft, and we are gonna play Bow again. In other episodes, we are gonna be learning, like seeing what's here, just in case you haven't been in this map. And we are also gonna know secret places from this map, just in case you don't know them and you know this map, or if you don't know them and you want to know what this map is about. Oh, and again, don't listen to the bad comments, because like sometimes they leave, bad words from this, and like they're really bad words. So just try not to listen to them. Okay, just try to not listen to them. And I was just gonna flip this thing over so that we can start playing. Okay, which way? This way. I hope I don't die. One minute till the tournament is ready. So we're just gonna wait here. Really silently. Be silent. Sometimes you guys can tell, because sometimes I don't like speak, and there's 30 more minutes. Yeah. Let's flip it over. Yeah. Oops. And we're gonna run and put our armor on too. So I'm just gonna keep them, just that I don't have to go back. So I guess we can follow that person, and let's see if he has food, because we only have one. I'll just let him go, because I just don't want to kill people. But I'll just let him live. I'm just going to take this, just in case I see him again, and he doesn't have no armor. Oh, that's me. What's my stuff? Weird. Am I glitching or something? Oh, what is happening? Why is there two me's? I just see my hairstyle. Oh my god, it's glitching. I'm dead. I'm dead and I'm buried in the ground. Oh my god. It's really weird. Oh my god. What is happening? Am I dead too here? Oh god. I think it is glitching, but let's just keep on going. I'm dead. I knew it. I knew it. My goodness. I should have never done that. I should have ran away. Well, we're just gonna keep on playing until our 10 minutes are over. So 1 minute and 45 seconds for it to be ready. There's a person dressed as a zombie. But it's just a mask though. There's JPs, there's babies. The babies look really cute. He wants to team up with me. I am just gonna say, okay. So now I have a team and he's gonna help me. Just standing there creepily. What? Wait, the controls are going really weird. Why did I get those mushrooms? I don't know, but I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. Not just a cute either. I am not just trying to get the stuff. I am trying to, like, getting protected. What is this? Valley or something? I don't know, but I'm just gonna go follow that guy over there. He probably knows something secret. I'm gonna lose him. Oh, I see a chest over there. Glitch, glitch. Oh. I don't wanna fall. I'm gonna have to find the way up there, cause like there's a chest. I seen it. I seen it. Oh no! Leave me alone. Ugh, whatever. So just for now, you guys, I am gonna like just try to use my whole 10 minutes and just try to like find friends or stuff like that. And here's, oh wait, I thought that was told me to like be his team. I guess he's still alive. Her Brian. I don't think that's a real one. So, but now I can just show you one secret room. Secret place though. Stay frosty, my friend. So yeah, there's one, and it's near this cafe. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.